Good morning, dear children. Welcome to the math session. In our earlier classes, we have learned the divisibility test. So today, I am going to solve the exercise number 1.3 from playing with numbers. Okay. So already we have solved exercise number 1.1 and 1.2. Now I am going to solve the exercise number 1.3. So the first main is find the quotient and the remainder. Find the quotient and remainder. Find the quotient and remainder when each of the following numbers is divided by 13. Divided by 13. So once again I read the question. Find the quotient and the remainder when each of the following number divided by 13. So question number 1. So he has given 4 questions. 8, 31. Next 44, then 85, then 1220. 1220. These 5 are the numbers of the first main. We have to divide these 5 numbers by 13. We should find out the quotient as well as remainder. Okay, first one. 13 divided by 8. Correct? Otherwise, I will solve little bit left side. Yes. 13 divided by 8 is there. 8 is less than 13 means dividend is less than the divisor. So what to do? 0. So this will become 8. 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, 13 threes are 39, 13 fours are. So just check out 13 sevens are 3 sevens are 21, 2 is carry, 7 is 7, 7 plus 2 9. So 91 is more than 80. So already people know how to divide the number. So what to do? Take the 6. 6 threes are 18, 1 carry, 6 ones are 6, 6 plus 1 7. So what we should write here? 6 are 78. So it will become 10. So it will become 7. 10 minus 8 means what? 2. So according to this question, what is the remainder? Remainder is 2. What is the quotient? QUO. Quotient is equal to 0.6. Understanding? So first one. So we have divided 8 by 30. Okay. So try this. Otherwise, I will solve. First one. Question number 2. 13 divided by 31. 13 twos are 26. So only one step over. No problem. So 31 minus 26 means fine. Here. What is the remainder? Remainder is fine. So what about the quotient? Quotient is 2. Clear? Next one. So I will try this last question. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th one I will try. So you have just try these 2 questions. So question number 5 is what? 13 divided by 1220. What are you told? You just told to find out quotient and remainder. Okay. 31s are 32 will not come. 39s are how much? 39s are 927. So it will become 117. So 39s are 117. 12 minus 7. How much? 12 minus 7 is 2. This is 5. 2 minus 2, 0, 0. So bring this down, it will become 50. Correct? 12 minus 7 is 5. And 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Next term, bring that 0 to the down, it will become 50. So next term, 31 is 30, 32 is 26, 33 is 39, 34 is 56 will become 33 is 39, 34 is 52. Correct? Next one. 10 minus 9 is 1, 5 minus 4 is 1. Here, remainder is 11. Quotient is 93. Understood, children? So these three I have solved. These two questions with just a try. Understanding? Okay. I'll do this. So shall we go for the question number 2? In second main? Yes. So if you want to write the answer, pause the video and copy the answers. So next one is second main, same is there. Find the quotient and remainder when each of the following number divided by how much here? 304. So we have to divide each number by 304. The numbers are first one 128, second 636, third one 785, and fourth one 1038, 1038. Next number 2236, 2236. And the last number is 8858, 8850. So people have learned the normal division. So this time we solve at least 2 or 3 questions. The remaining questions we just try to solve. Just try to solve. Question number 1. 304 divided by 128. So 128 is less than 304. What we should do? 0 point. So here we get 1 0. Now 1280 we got. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. So what we should do? 304 4s are, because of if we multiply 4 into 3 we get 12. Correct? 4 4s are 16. 1 carry. 4 into 0 0 1 as it is. 4 3s are 12. So this number is very close to 1208. So what we should do? 4s are 1 2 1 6. So 10 minus 6 is 4. 10 minus 6 is 4. 8 minus 2 is 4. How much? 64. 2 minus 2 0. 1 minus 1 0. Here remainder is what? 64. Quotient is what? 0.4. Correct? So shall we go for 785? So you try this. I will solve this one. Question number 3. 304 divided by 785. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So what we should do? 304 2s are 2 4s are 8. 2 0 0. 2 3s are 6. If you take 3, the number will cross the 7. So what we should do? Just take here 2. Here we get 6 not 8. 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8 is how much? 5 and 3. So that is 7. 8 minus 1, 7. 7 minus 1, 6. Sorry, 6. 7 minus 6, 1. The remaining how much? 177. So 177 is less than 0.4. The one step is enough for the division. Here, remainder 177. Question 2. Clear? Okay. Next number. So try this and finally solve this. Question number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Question number 6 I will solve. Understanding? So normal division is there. There is no difficulties. If you have again doubts, just call me. I will clear your doubts. So now 304 divided by 8858. 304 divided by 8858. So first take these three numbers. Yes, 8 is there. 3 3s are 9. So it will cross the 885. So what we should do? 304 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8 0. 3 2s are 6. 2s are 6 not 8. Yes, correct. So 15 minus 8 is 7. Correct? 15 minus 8 is 7. 8 minus 1 is 7. 8 minus 6 is 2. 277. What will do? Bring this 8 down. So down it will come 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27. Correct? So let us check. 304 into 9. So 9 4s are 26. Remaining 3. 9 into 0 0. 3. As it is 9 3s are 27. Correct? 27,036. 27,078 is there. So what we should do? Take here 9 2 7 3 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. 7 minus 3 is 4. 0 0. Remainder is equal to 42. Question is 29. Clear? So question number 1, question number 3 and question number 6. Okay. So copy the answers. Now I will go to the third main. So third one is one of the important question. So how to take question number 3. Find the least natural number. Third one. This is only question number 3. Find the least natural. Find the least natural number larger than 100 which leaves the remainder which leaves the remainder 12 when divided by 90. So observe the solution clearly. Find the least natural number. Find the least natural number larger than 100 which leaves the remainder 12 when divided by 19. So how to take means how to get the question, how to understand the question. First one, I understand question number 1. Number ಏನಾಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 19 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So 19 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿಬೇಕು 12, but dividend ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ that should be more than 100. Okay, how to take? So for the reference I'll write the 19 table. So 19 ones are 19 twos are 19 threes are 19 fours are 19 fives are 19 six are 19 sevens are, so 19 eights are 19 nines are 19 tens are. This is for the reference. While solving this question, just write the table number 19 only for this question. So 19 ones are 19, 19 twos are 38, 19 threes are 57, 9 fours are 6, 19 19, 19 twos are 38, 19 threes are 57, 19 fours are 76, 19 fives are 95, 19 six are 114, so 133, 19 eights are 152, 171, 190. So 91 are 90, 92 are 38, 93 are 57, 94 are 76, 95 are 95, 96 114, 97 are 133, 98 are 152, 99 are 171, 99 are 180. Find the least natural number larger than 100 which leaves the remainder 12 when divided by 90. So I will select the number 95. Correct? So therefore the number should be divisible of, otherwise the number should be more than 100. More than 100. So what will they? Therefore 95 plus 12. How much will get? 2 plus 5, 7. 9 plus 1, 10. So what is this? The number should be more than 100. What is that number? 107. So what we do? Therefore, 19 divided by 107. So what is our concept term? The remainder should be 12. So that's why I have added 12 to the 95. Next term. 19 5s are 95. So what we get the remainder? 12. The number is what? 107. Clear that? Therefore, the number is 107. So once again I will clear you. Find the least natural number larger than 100. Our number ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು 100 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. So the number should be more than 100. ಅದೇ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ which is leaves the remainder. ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಾದರೂ 19 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿಬೇಕು 12. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ 95 is very close to 100. 95. So what is the remainder there? 12. Add that 12. What will we get? 107. So this is what? More than 100. Next, divide this number by 90. So 19 5 is 95. What will be the remainder? 12. So the number is what? 107. Understood, children? Okay. Now I will solve question number 4. For me, question number 4. What is the least natural number? What is the least natural number? What is the least natural number? You have added. What is the least natural number? You have added 2. You have add 2. Add 2. 1024. 1024 to get a multiple of. To get a multiple of 181. So this question is little bit what is that? Difficulty in this. If you understand, it will become easy. What is the least natural number? What is the least natural number you have? Add to 1024 to get a multiple of 181. So what we should write first? We should write the table number 181. Correct? 2s are 181, 3s are 181, 4s are 181, 5s are 181, 6s are 181, 7s are 181, 8s are 181, 9s are 181, 10s are. So we have to take the multiple of 181. So first one is what? 181s are 181, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 1 carry, 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24, 2 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 2 5, 4 ones are 4, 4 8s are 32, remaining 3, 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 3, 7. Correct? Next, 5 ones are 5, 5 8s are 40, remaining 4, 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 4, 9. Next, 6 ones are 6, 6 8s are 48, 4 is remaining. Next, 6 ones are 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 7 ones are 7, 7 8s are 56, 6 is here, 5 is here, 7 plus 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 8 ones are 8, 8 8s are 64, 6 is here, 8 ones are 8, 8 plus 6, 14, 9 ones are 9, 9 8s are 72, 7 is here, 9 ones are 9, 9 plus 7, 16, correct? 9 plus 7 is 16. So 1810. So these are the multiples later on. So now check out what is the least natural number you have to add to the 1024. So now check out the 1024. So which one is very close to 1024? This number is very close to 1024. Why? 1024 is less than 1086. The number is what is the least natural number you have added? So the number is equal to 1084 minus 1024. Just minus the number. Next term, 4 minus 4, 0, 8 minus 2, 6, 0 and 0. 4 minus 4, 0, 8 minus 2, 6. So what is this sum? What is our number? 60. Therefore, if we add 62, then 1024 will get, how much will get? 1086. 1086, which is completely divisible by 181. Therefore 1086 is multiple of 181. Look here, the number we need, the least number we need. What is the least number here? 60 is the least number. If we add 60 to the 1024, we'll get 1086. What is 1086? Which is completely divisible by 181. So therefore 1086 is the multiple of 181. Therefore the least number is what? 60. Clear? Okay. So if you have any doubts, just call to the number and I will clear your doubts. So in the next session I will solve the exercise number 1.4. Clear? Okay. Thank you, dear children. Have a nice day.